definitely. Just before I think the VDC itself is quite a big topic, but I would be really interested to hear more about the work processes and in your work, like in a nutshell, what kind of processes do you have when you are looking all these building information modeling and then the tools and building up the bridge between them and then getting it to the customers?
Sure, yeah. So I'll just kind of walk you through a traditional workflow. So typically we start with either a Revit model or the construction document set, whichever is available. And we basically start from scratch. So a lot of people inherit the model from the architect or engineer and they'll kind of build off of it. But I found that there's a lot of